Now, I'm so proud to have in the studios this evening with me the very, very super talented Anurag Kashyap. So happy and so proud for you. Anurag, let me shake your hand. Many, many congratulations.
It's a long way from university days.
It's a long way from university days. University days also you were special and talented. We always saw a spark in you. And I feel proud to have been in university at the same time as you. I'm very proud of you, Anurag. And also proud to have Richa Chadda, who's done this amazing performance there. We're going to see some clips of this. So Richa, sharing the stage, the screen space with such giants, such performers. I want to talk to you about that.
No, we have the entire North Campus. Hindu, Hansraj, Stephens and Ramjas.
Oh, okay. What is Stephens doing between Ramjas, Hindu and Hansraj? Oh, that's interesting. We have all of Delhi University. Now this is getting very incestuous. Now let me also introduce the super talented and huge fan of Manoj Bajpayee.
Thank you.
And you are looking so threatening in that movie. And you look so normal today. I can't believe it's the same person. And I must congratulate Anurag for that. So, where do I start? I just want to say that I haven't seen this movie. I've seen the promos. I've seen your interviews on it. Anurag, what is it about this movie that makes it such a talking point? Everyone's talking about it.
I think one big reason is that for years we forgot our small towns and villages and the hinterlands that we have come from. Hindi cinema had forgotten that. Hindi cinema became all about America and London and everything. So first thing I think is because after a long time a film comes out from the heartland.
That's so true.
In the sense, and it's a factual representation of it. So that one thing is that's taking people for surprise. And I guess the elements and content of it, which is not created out of thin air, which are based on facts.
Yeah.
So that is kind of shocking that, this exists in the midst of all of us.
Yes, because, Hindi cinema had become very super anglicized. Yeah. It was almost as if you had 1 foot, in India, but 1 foot, in North America all the time. And I think that you made it earthy.
It is very earthy. It's extremely grounded. Even the language has not been simplified for the city audiences.
It's not.
They're getting it, yeah.
Does
the music.
Do you think, Richa, that is something which you worry about? Some people said, no, it's so not urban that will the urban audience connect with it?
I was in a screening last night and it was house full and it was full of urban people and they all got it and they all got the nuances of the language and they were all laughing and cheering at the right places. An urban city multiplex audience felt like a single screen back from the 90s to me. So I think what this film has really done is I don't want to sound arrogant or anything, but it's really made people rethink how that the dialogue can be real and at the same time can connect with people in such a brilliant way.
I know. Because, if there are Indian movies in which you have lots of Indians, holding up the American stripes and stars and then singing to it in some of our recent blockbusters, then I have wondered why we've been sort of embarrassed about talking about what our own country is like. Manoj, you really represent the
heartland.
What would I?
Bihar ke Lala.
Do you represent everything that is wrong or everything that is right with the Indian hinterland?
I don't know. That's a very difficult question. I think Anurag should answer that.
No, don't pass. The one thing on Newshour is we don't let you pass. I think this is not Siddharth Basu's quiz contest. Don't try that.
Everything that's right and true.
Everything that's right and true is.
Yeah. Also, I think what has been my advantage that the journey that I took. It was a long journey, but also it encompasses the whole of India. Coming from Nepal border to Delhi and then Mumbai. I think it also says that there are so many people who are still trapped somewhere. They don't know what to do with themselves, what to do with their ability. But somehow I feel that one Manoj Bajpayee and there are so many others.
It's true.
I mean, including Nawaz, who's there in the second part. Yeah. Our journey is nothing, but it also says that we, all of us, and so many like all of us, have so much to give to our profession, be it acting, be it anything. IT, anything.
That's so true.
Yeah.
That's so true. Because the one thing which binds, now what I see in today's Bollywood is that it's a completely different set of people who are ruling and changing the game in Bollywood. It's a result of what your own experiences are.
Also, for a long time, there's a lot of pressure on Hindi cinema. It was not so in Tamil and Telugu. Yeah. But in the Hindi cinema, the stress and pressure was on for people to look beautiful, costumes to look beautiful, locations to look neat and clean and hygienic. India is not neat and clean. The thing is, things are as they are. Yeah. But for the film, the sets and everything, a lot of pressure was about being beautiful.
Yeah, I know. But I love now what I'm going to do is that because I have not seen the movie, because you'll expose me if I try to ask you about the movie. So what I'll do is I will play some parts of the clips and dialogues and all which I like. And मेरा जो personal favorite है, 2-3 मैं play करूँ. एक वो है which is this song, which is this 2-2-10-10, which I have never heard. What kind of song is this, Anurag? I mean, you can do this in college hostel, but that you would grow up one day, become one of it.
But it's a sound that immediately captures you.
Achha, so why don't you start the sound, then I'll play the promo.
No. Huh? I can't sing. Huh? I can't sing to save my life.
Come on.
What is this?
Amazing. And you know what? I get a perverse pleasure saying that all of Khan was jibing to 2-2-10. Let's play it out.
ये पप्पू जी हैं, बम बनाने में उस्ताद।
दीवार पे फेंको, फटा नहीं, जोर से फेंक।
कट्टा बनवाना था, साइकिल का मटेरियल लेके आए।
साइकिल का पाइप क्लियर लगता है,
काला है,
ट्रक के स्टीयरिंग का पाइप।
कहाँ बवासीर बना दिए हो? हाथ झंझना जाता है, मारते हैं, कसाई मोहल्ला जाता है कलकत्ता।
एक मिनट, इस तरफ होता है।
अच्छा।
It's amazing. Now, Manoj.
Yeah.
What is this? This is no. I want you see. I have had a great laugh. Now, is this supposed to be a menacing role or a comic role?
See, this is this is where the fact lies. That in the end, the consequences can be anything. Consequences can be murder. Consequences can be anything. But the process is very humorous. The responses are the interaction is humorous. It's not as if
Have you seen something like this? Well, ever in your life, does this happen? I mean,
but it's all the time.
It's in Eastern Uttar Pradesh, in parts of Bihar. Is this?
It's all across. In our life, if you're chasing somebody on the street, you'll get tired. You're not Superman that will run for 20 minutes without getting tired. That's the idea. This film is about guys who want to be heroes.
No, are there people?
But they become human.
That's
why you laugh.
People, sorry for sounding, so urban about it. But are there people who carry out guns and shoot like that on daily basis?
If we shoot with a katta, it happens. It happens.
Can I play another part?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Please.
I think you're enjoying watching this because you haven't seen it. So
are you saying that I won't enjoy this after seeing the movie?
Of course you will.
I'll enjoy this all the more. Let's hear your dialogues now.
Okay.
I think I have one promo with your dialogues.
Okay. तुमको ठरक मिटाना है, जहाँ जाना है जाओ, बस घर मत लेकर आना, नहीं तो यही चीर देंगे।
कौन कहाँ जा रहा है?
खाना खाओ, ताकत आएगा, बाहर जाके बेइज्जती मत कराना। कभी ना कभी तो घर आएगा तू।
Okay, no, tell me, what about the practice for this? I mean, how did you prepare for something like this? Who prepare? Now, sorry, who does this? Who talks like that among you? Is it who is the most natural at? I saw you pointing at Anurag, then you quickly pulled your hand back.
No, you asked me about preparation.
Yeah,
All I want to say is that this person doesn't let us prepare.
Who?
We made notes and went on the first day with these copious notes and character studies and Meisner and everything, and he tore them apart. And he said, work on your instinct, and I think that's why it's turned out the way it has.
Is it a chauvinistic movie? Sorry, I'm trying to sound politically correct, but
no, I think it's. As Dibakar Banerjee put it, who's a dear friend of his and also a filmmaker. It's the ultimate male North Indian fantasy, full of testosterone and sex and violence. But it is a film with really, really strong women.
Yeah.
So
strong women.
Very strong.
Very
women
strong.
have their own thing.
Often,
men can't manipulate the women. Men cannot
Can't
manipulate the women in the film.
They dominate, but they cannot manipulate.
They don't even dominate.
No, do they dominate?
No,
they don't.
They don't.
They don't dominate.
Women dominate the men.
Give me an example of that.
The whole film, the entire.
There's a dialogue.
That's the thought process.
There's a thought process behind the film, because I've grown up in North India. You can do whatever. You walk into your house and your mother or your wife controls it. A man has no say in the matter. The woman wears the pants. And that's what is in the
Manoj?
film.
Yes, he's very right. I mean, I come from that belt, and
his character in the film is beats up everyone, kills everyone. He's shit scared of his wife. Shit scared of his wife.
Careful, huh? You know, you've already been in trouble with the censor board. You want to get me into trouble? Please.
He's scared of his wife.
Yes, that's it. That's it. Cut the other part out. Yes. Manoj,
see, this is the way it happens. I mean, this is our somehow fallacy that we feel that all the criminals are the one who is dominating the household. They are not. All the women, all the wives of the criminals, they are ruling the roost. They are beaten up by shoes and whatnot. I mean, in their household. I know some of my friends. Some of my friends, they're all dadas, in the small town, and they are beaten black and blue by their wives. Yeah. So,
and he gets beaten up by all his women in the film. All his women beat him up.
And he's somebody who he has 2 wives, and he's still looking for more outside. But these 2 wives are making his life hell completely. Yeah.
Not his life hell. They're trying to keep him straight.
Actually, let's play one more of these clips. Now, which clip are we going to play? I want one with some. Let's play one part with Manoj Bajpayee, and then I'm going to force you to do an impromptu on some of your favorite dialogues.
Okay.
Not 1 or 2, but 3 or 4. Natural. We'll go close up on you. Okay. I'll direct that, not Anurag. Okay. Some of your best dialogue. Here's a promo of which focuses on Manoj Bajpayee. What a brilliant movie this is.
पट्टा बनवा रहा था, साइकिल का मटेरियल लेके आए।
साइकिल का पाइप कितने बन पाएगा?
काल है।
ट्रक के स्टीयरिंग का पाइप।
कहाँ बवासीर बना दिए हो? हाथ झंझना जाता है। मारते हैं कसाई मोहल्ला जाता है कलकत्ता।
बम बनाने में उस्ताद है।
साला सब एटम बम मारता है, चाकू तलवार से मुकाबला थोड़ी होगा।
उनके पास बम है, हम तुम्हें पिस्तौल देंगे। खत्म करो सालों को।
थोड़ा ऑटोमेटिक वाला।
हाँ।
Okay, favorite dialogues.
Mine.
Favorite dialogues.
There's a favorite sequence of mine. Yes. I think Anurag has done wonders, and he made me shoot for 5 days or 6 days, continuously for that sequence. And by the end of the 5th day, I was completely tired and monotonous. Hajrat, Hajrat, Hajrat. बड़े अफसोस के साथ ये ऐलान किया जाता है कि कल रात वसेपुर की एक लड़की को अगवा कर लिया गया है। हजरात, अगले 3 घंटे में लड़की अपने घर नहीं पहुंची तो पूरे इलाके में इतना बम मारेंगे कि इलाका धुआं धुआं हो जाएगा और रामाधीर सिंह के पूरे खानदान से
सेंसर
बेस्या का नाच नचाएंगे।
और उसके बाद उसके बाद इमीडिएटली से बजा बे कसम पैदा करने वाली का सॉन्ग प्लेज।
The dance you saw, right?
One more. Since you are in a mood. Okay. I rarely get people in a mood. Yeah. All the censored parts.
हमारी जिंदगी का एक के मकसद है बदला। रामाधीर सिंह को तरक्की का सीढ़ी चढ़ते हुए देखा नहीं जाता। गोली नहीं मारेंगे साले को, कह के लेंगे।
Amazing. That's become such a catchphrase.
Yeah, that's become a catchphrase.
It's become a catchphrase. Now tell me about the response in Cannes. I'm most, as a sociology student, I'm most interested in that. What was the response in Cannes like? Because, unless this movie, unless you understand the language, you catch the sensibility. That is what I'm...
No, it was quite baffling, the response in Cannes, because, it was... When the film got selected, it was quite unbelievable for all of us that, a film that was so rooted in the heartland.
So complete,
they would get it, and with so much music in it.
Yeah.
But people not moving, them watching the film, the standing ovation, and the reviews that followed, I think we've got some of the best reviews, any film that got at Cannes.
What did they relate to in your view, Richa? What were they relating to?
I mean, I would like to say it's just like Shakespeare has done till date and people find it universal. There was something so universal about our film that even people who watched it with French and English subtitles got it. And we were sitting right in the middle and the audience was on either side and they wouldn't let us go after the screening. They surrounded us and they laughed at the right points and they got all the nuances.
See, there goes, that's the answer for your first question. Whether the urban milieu will relate to this story or not. If the French people can understand just by reading the subtitle, American people can understand reading the subtitle, or English people, just last night he had a showing there in London. Or Sydney. It's all unanimous.
And Sydney they showed 5 hours 20 minutes, unanimously incredible response.
Do you think it's also because for a long time, Bollywood got stereotyped and people...
That could also be the reason.
It's got stereotyped,
That could also be the reason.
Now this new form of cinema is,
because this film also gives Bollywood a perspective, because Bollywood is a character in the film.
And it's also enjoyable. It's not that horribly intense, what a sort of art film was earlier, that you go in a different... It's real, but it's enjoyable, no?
It's fun.
It's fun.
Idea is to have fun.
And that's how he puts it. Rag says that it's his most commercial film till date.
Yeah, he has said that. Well, Richa, congratulations on your performance in this movie. Manoj, I'm so happy to be in your presence.
Thank you.
I saw, I'll tell you one thing. I saw Rajniti.
Yes.
And I think that you were so... each and every one of your performances has been so brilliant. From 97 or so, I've been following you. And I'm so happy to meet you today.
Thank you very much.
And I'm so happy to meet my friend. Thank you.
Canteen days.
Canteen days. Satya, Shul, sorry, not Rajniti, Shul. And I've always been wanting to thank you for your performances. And Anurag, from Canteen days to now, I'm so proud of having you as a friend. I'm so proud of the kind of cinema you're bringing in. And I never thought a day would come. We'd be sitting here and talking.
We are proud of him.
We are so proud of him.
Shake your hand once more, my friend. Well done. Well done. And to all our viewers, from me and the entire team of Gangs of Wasseypur, fantastic, perhaps the movie of 2012. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Good night and goodbye.